good evening, good morning, and good luck, everyone. Catrina has up this DGA Proline Swirl. Sweet stamp, sweet booty. Oh my god, I'm out of sorts today. There's the disc, 15 spots. Here's our list. One lucky winner. Start time 10:44 a.m. There's our proof. Pull up a fresh random tab. Couple refreshes. Connection secure. Certificate valid. $15 spots. Winner's gonna be 12. 12 is our winner. Pull it back over here. Winner statement 1046 Mountain. 12 is going to be Jonathan Reeser. Congrats, Jonathan. Shoot Catrina a message and no spoilers, please. Thanks, everyone. End time also 1046. Thank you.